Eat cherries for falling asleep faster. They are a great late-night snack. Cherries are distinguished as one of the best organic products, and considered as America's superfruit. The taste and the color of fresh cherries make them one of the most desirable seasonal fruits. If you have sleeping problems, eating a handful of cherries can treat insomnia. The sleep-promoting properties may be due to a higher concentration of dietary fiber, and vitamin C. Additionally, cherries are rich in melatonin, which stimulates sleep. So instead of drinking pills, get 1 cup of cherries and use them to get a night of better sleep. Here are some other benefits of cherries, despite falling asleep faster. Cherries are healthy for both eyes and skin. They contain 20 times more vitamin A than strawberries and blueberries. Because they are rich in antioxidants, cherries reduce blood cholesterol levels, slow down aging and improve the digestive system. This fruit is rich in natural sugar and stimulates the level of energy, thus means cherries are helpful with depression. When feeling depressed, instead of chocolate, eat several cherries. They stimulate mental functions in the human body. When you seek for concentration, a few cherries will help to boost the brain function. The dietary fiber found in the cherry could reduce the risk of colon cancer. Some studies have even confirmed that anthocyanin-rich cherry juice can improve memory in older adults. Thanks to their fiber content, cherries are perfect for weight loss. According to recent research, cherries reduce the risk of strokes, heart attacks, and heart disease. Thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, they may help to reduce arthritis symptoms. Cherries ease the pain after training and support muscle recovery. Cherries are the favorite fruit in summer. Who doesn't want a bowl on a hot summer day? Moreover, you can consume them as cherry juice, smoothie, dried cherries, frozen cherries, and so on.